sun's bright. Oh, it's gonna be all bouncy. I'm sorry, everyone. I can't get the sun out of my eyeballs. Do you want to tell them where we're going, or do you want me to tell them where we're going?
I am going to the crazy house.
Okay, so
We're cleaning.
I am so sorry, guys, if this is bouncy. We're in the car, and Cody is a heavy breaker today because he thinks he's funny. See? He thinks he's funny doing that. He wants my head to hit the...
I just need to make sure that they're working.
So we are heading to a client's house that we haven't cleaned in a while, and we're pretty sure we're gonna have to treat it like a first time in, and so we're gonna go over what we kind of do the first time in with cleaning. She wants us in longer, so definitely. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss the next time we upload. And on to the video.
Yeah.
Cody, it is stinking hot. Why do you have it on heat?
Because I needed to make it not foggy, because last night it was rainy.
Oh yes, that's right. We got hail and torrential downpours. Did you hear the thunder? It lasted for, like, it did not stop for 10 minutes.
I heard thunder the night before. That was...
Nope. Last night we were sitting outside and it went on constantly, like, for 10 minutes. I've never heard that in my entire life. Probably longer than 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes I went in. Because the rain started coming towards me, and I had just got my hair did, and I was not about to get it wet. I just got my hair did.
Oh, that was so itchy. Oh, it's so itchy.
Don't do that. You saw how, like, my eyes all puffy from me itching mine the other day.
If I can get my whole finger in there, I
Of
will.
course, Cody.
It's one of those where you need to put your teeth on it and...
Okay, it's just gonna get worse. Stop. Do you think that she's gonna put her little doggy away so he doesn't bite my foot?
So what's happening? Are we all stopping? Because it looked like we weren't stopping.
Well, it's because, should we make these guys days right here? As we go, I will whistle. Ow! Ow! Cause every time you see the bubbly face, bubbly black. Trying to show you the smoke in that canyon right there. Oh, never mind. There's a gas station. But that canyon right there, you should be able to see the... because there's construction dust, we're gonna have to vacuum the floors before we even use our Bissell on them. And that's what Cody's doing.
Well, technically, I can't Bissell this rug, so.
I know, but you're going to vacuum the floors as soon as you're done vacuuming. And look, you've got drywall dust all over your nice pants. Have it all over my shirt.
I can because we're running low on time, so I just gotta do a quick wipe down. Don't overthink it.
Yeah, she only wants us in for 2 hours.
And over time we'll get it all. It's just right now we don't have the time to be perfect like I would like to be.
You are perfect, Cody.
I'm not.
Had to go over it 3 times to get it this clean.
Feels like jelly.
I just wanted to give you guys a tip when it comes to velvet or this faux velvet. Sometimes the easiest way to clean it is just take a damp rag or even a dry rag and just wipe the stuff off of it. Or you just pick your vacuum up and vacuum it. That's how it is with construction. She burned her toilet seat, so that's not good. Okay, because there was so much in the toilet, I put way more toilet bowl cleaner than I normally would. I'm gonna let it sit to try to help remove some of that off the surface. If it would focus. That's underneath the caulking, so it's not going to come out. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the duster. Oh, it's not picking it up. Maybe if I take the flash off, huh? Should we try that? There we go. We dusted a kitchen and this room and that room and some of the bathroom. And that's a lot of dust for those smaller areas. But we'll talk about that in a moment. Okay.
I like to shake it around to get all of it off of this thingy.
Or as much as you can off that.
Yeah.
It's not showing up as well on the camera as I'd like. Ew, did you hear that chunk flop?
That giant plop up there.
Plop.
Good nest for birdies.
Ew, let me see inside of it.
That's all construction, like plaster and... Maintain your equipment so that it stays good longer. Sorry. I feel like being watched is making me overthink what I'm doing.
Cody, we're all watching you.
Oh, well, stop it.
Look at a lot of that is construction dust though.
But yeah, we use the bucket to help clean our vessel.
And then Cody wipes that down. Puts it back together.
Now it's ready for my next cleaning.
Are we all watching you, Cody?
It's different, like, after a certain time. It's like...
You are okay getting up on stage and singing live, but you're not okay with me recording you cleaning them.
Well, it's just, it's got like a little... What's the word? Learning curve. The starting of it always sucks. It sucks until you get used to it.
Wait.
That makes sense.
Ah, I was waiting for that.
If that makes sense.
I need cold air. It is so hot. Ah. Sweating to death. Oh my gosh, my hair.
Your hair.
Your hair.
Holy crap.
Is that from the heat in the house? It was so hot in that house, you guys. But they're on vacation and they didn't think that having the heat or the air at 80
They
something
thought
degrees.
having the heat on only was good.
No, the air on.
I'm kidding.
So I was not at least expecting it to be a construction clean. I thought for sure it would be dustier, dirtier, because we haven't been in for a while. But I mean, I know that she's been doing a lot of construction, but that was a lot of construction dust.
She gave me a warning, so I was expecting the worst.
So Cody just didn't tell me. He's like, you know what? If I tell her what it's really going to be over there, she won't go with me. Jeez.
Oh.
What am I going to do with Cody? But I was sweating crazy profusely. Did not like it.
She's lying. That was a walk in the park.
I almost had a breakdown because I was sweating. It's really muggy. We're not used to wet heat. But you asked for some people have asked for a dirtier clean, so we gave you one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and until next time, have an amazing day.
I got pizza all over me.
Bye. Cody dropped his pizza. We're at Adventure's first stop.